This is patient number one. This is, I might break all these the complex patients into multiple videos, so that it's all aspects of the particular challenges can be covered. This will be short videos for 1 minute, so it will be easy to digest. So this is a patient number one, a lady who was morbidly obese, and she was living in Bangalore, and essentially the issue that she had was that he had joint replacement surgery, a complex primary knee replacement as we call it, and so that means the patient would have gone a little bit to the surgeon at a very advanced stage, and hence he would have been forced to do a surgery with an implant and wedges and stents in the leg, both the thigh bone and the leg bone called the tibia, what is called as a complex primary knee replacement surgery.